Alright, these are my cough drops. These are old. They're kind of beat up. I know, don't be commenting and shit. But, yeah, these are the first Foamposites I ever got. They got me into them. Ever since, I've been loving them. And my friend gave them to me. They were kind of beat up already. I wouldn't beat these. Oh, man, I love this shoe. I like this shoe, man. I still rock them. But, not as much. I got more cough drops, pretty sweet. Not as much hype over these as others, but these got me into it, man. So I gotta keep rocking them. You know, they're a little dirty. I gotta clean them up. Yeah, they're the cough drops. This video is not gonna be so long.